Hello guys, today we're here because I'm doing a haul, something that I got from Amazon that I ordered. So I just wanted to share this with you because this is my old phone. This is my case. It has this sticker in the back. My old phone is all cracked, so I decided to get a new case because it looked just so ugly, so cheap. So then I decided. So now I ordered one. Let's see if it fits. It probably does, but. So here it is. This is it. So I got it. Oh, it looks cute. Oh my god. Oh, found it. Okay. Oh my god. Oh, here it is. What is this? It brings a protector. So that's one. And it brings this. So that's cute. Look at the way. It looks so cute. So cute. And I'm gonna try it and if it fits. It does fit. Look, so it's cute. For school, it looks really nice. It has diamonds in the back. So then it brings a little pen, like a little touch one, like this. It brings that touch one, like so snapsy. So this is good. And it brings a protector for your screen, the one that I needed for my, cause it's all cracked. It's every time I go, it always gets cracked. So I'm always disappointed on me because I can't keep things neat and nice. So, but oh my god, I can barely even put my case. Oh my god. Okay. So there. I just need to put more in here. Oh my god, I can't put it. Oh. There. So that's it. So it's so cute. Like really nice. It has a camera on the button and it's really nice and cute. So yeah. And it brings the protection for the screen. I'm glad because it brings that. I just need to put it more in my case in here. Okay. Oh my god, it's getting me frustrated. Frustrated. Oh my god, it's getting me frustrated. It's not getting in, so I'm just gonna take this out. It's not getting in. It's just getting annoying. Oh my god, I feel like I'm doing a live stream trying to put a case on. Oh my god. Okay, I think I got it. Oh my god, I think. There. So that's my phone. It's cute. Really cute. I'll leave in the description where you can get it. You can get it in Amazon. It's really nice. Look at this pattern. You can get it on Amazon. So it was only $8 and it brings everything with the button and the protection. It's a good deal because if it brings all those things, I would buy it again. But not like, yeah. I would buy it again. Oh my god. I always destroy everything. Oh my god. So there's my phone. So it's really cute. Turns on. That's my phone. And this is the old case and this is the new case. Look at the back compared to this. This one's prettier. Like really cute and nice. And I'm gonna put the protection screen. So yeah. So now I'm gonna put the protection, if I can find it. Here it is. The protection is here. I'm just gonna take these out and put it.
I can see the tiny.
I'm just gonna put it nice and neat. So this is my protection, see, so the screen is here, and now you'll see my protection, so it will look better, it will look brighter, and it will look much better. So I'm still putting in it, because it does not look really good. Oh my god, I'm messing it up. I'm messing it up. Oh my god, it's gonna look like that. Ugly. I'm messing it up. And I do not like the idea. Messing it up, guys. Okay. Okay, that's it. So that's for the phone. And this is it. So I got like a little, where's the little pen? I always lose everything, and I do not like the idea of losing anything. So here's the little pen, so I can touch, or when you're eating, or like, yeah, it's just really cute, and it brings a touch thing, and it brings this, so that was good, and it brought the pen, and that was good too. So bye, this is it for this video. I just wanted to tell you about my case that I got for my phone for school. So yeah, and this little pen that came, I did not know that this came with this. So that's good. In the little, it's called the glass thing. I did not know that came with it. So that's it for this video. So bye. I hope this video is too long, I think. Sorry, because it looked like a live. Sorry, because I did not know how to put the case in the first place. So bye. Peace out.